What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop this week. So it's a little bit of a lighter week this week because a few of us just landed like an hour ago from Orlando. We were at the International Window Film Conference and Competition. Believe it or not, that's something that actually exists. So there's a little bit less scheduled for the first half of this week. We've got an Acura. This one was here for a ceramic coating. I love the red and the blue that they have from Acura. This one's no exception. So I want to say it just needs a top coat and it's ready to go home. This trike over here is straight from our friends at Z&M Harley-Davidson. This one's getting a paint protection film package. So the whole front end, those lower fairings, the upper fairings, as well as the rear fenders all get protected with Expel. So this Dodge Ram was here for an annual inspection. I think this was the second year for it. We also did a gold package on the bedside. Something happened to it. It was repainted, so we went ahead and got that taken care of. We've got a BMW Z4 over here. These are cars you don't see very often anymore. I imagine they're probably like a go-kart to drive, probably a blast. Very small cars. We did a full front end protection with this, with Expel. So the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, and the mirrors are all covered, and the rocker panels on this one. And then we polished the paint and ceramic coated. So this thing looks like a brand new car. The paint is pretty much perfect. Super low miles on this thing. Very, very well taken care of example. We've got another trike over here, again, from our friends at Z&M Harley-Davidson. Same package on this. This is our trike protection package. Pretty much everything that we get from Z&M ends up with that package on it. Our friend Daryl brought us this massive truck. So this is a Mega Cab 3500, I think. Yeah, 3500 diesel, of course, Dolly. He's got all sorts of suspension upgrades, Fox Racing stuff done to this thing. And we did paint protection film in the whole front, all the painted grille pieces, the front bumper, and the rocker panels. We also did the entire bed sides. Those are one piece, of course. So that big, huge bulge is protected, and it got ceramic coated. So this one's pretty much ready to go home. Over here in this corner, we've got a chopper. I think you guys saw this thing last week. We're doing basically a full paint correction and polish on this. This is sort of some fill-in work, hopefully finishing that up this week. Here in the tint bay, we've got a Mazda Miata. This one's here for window tint and also for a full wrap with paint protection film. So this one's getting started in a couple of days, I believe, as far as the wrap is concerned. So this is one of next week's projects. And the last appointment of the day for window tint is this Subaru. I think this is a Forester. We're tinting the front windows with our ceramic 35% tint. So it's gonna look great. It's also gonna block heat to help keep the driver more comfortable. Here this GMC got detailed. It is done, ready to go home. And if you're not familiar with our loaner vehicle, it's usually not here, so when it's here I like to mention it in the videos, but this is our free vehicle we offer for people getting paint protection film or ceramic coatings with us. We know it can be really difficult to leave your car, especially if it's your only car here, for 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So that's why we have provided you with a loaner car. All you gotta do to schedule that is just let us know you need it. We'll make sure we schedule it in a week where we can get it to you. We've got a Ford Older Super Duty here. This one got window tint. We've got a Dodge Ram here that got window tint installed earlier today. And we have the GTO. This is from our Miami road trip. It's finally back. It's for sale. It's twin turbo, makes like 1,000 horsepower. The thing is a monster. If you haven't watched our videos to Miami yet with Justin from Horsepower Obsessed, check that out. You'll see that that thing beats everything. This Jeep just showed up, but I'm pretty sure it's on for tomorrow for an annual inspection and to do some paint protection film work as well. And last but not least, today we've got a Tahoe. This is a new 2020 Tahoe. We're going to be doing taillight tint, so the two taillights and the third brake light are going to be getting tinted. That's it for what's going on in the shop this week. Guys, thank you very much for watching, as always. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel on YouTube, make sure you do that. We always have lots of new content coming out with things that we're working on here and different projects and road trips and you name it. We're doing it with cars. So thanks very much. We will see you next week.